Namaste student, myself Dr. Suraj Jagat, Faculty of Agriculture and Veterinary Science. Today I will discuss about multi-species tree gardens and alley cropping. Then first multi-species tree garden. What is multi-species tree garden? In this system agroforestry various kind of tree species are grown mixed. मतलब बहुत सारी स्पेसीज को एक साथ उगाना मल्टी स्पेसीज ट्री गार्डन कहलाता है. The major function of this system is production of food, fodder and wood production for home consumption and sale. इसका मेन फंक्शन होता है वो फूड फॉडर एंड वुड को प्रोडक्ट करना और होम कंजम्पशन के लिए. एंड सेकेंड एले क्रॉपिंग. एले क्रॉपिंग आल्सो नोन एज हेज रो इंटरक्रॉपिंग. एले क्रॉपिंग वो होता है जो एक रो के रूप में क्रॉप लेते हैं. जैसे छोटी क्रॉप के हाइट में जो छोटी क्रॉप होती है उसके बीच बीच में एक बड़ी क्रॉप ले लेते हैं जो पहले कट जाती है. इन द preferably leguminous trees or shrubs are grown strenuously with a arable crop. The trees manage a hedge row are grown in wide row and the crop is planted in the interspace of alley between the tree rows. जो हॉर्टिकल्चर ऑर्चार्ड होता है जैसे मैंगो का ऑर्चार्ड है उसके बीच में जो जगह होती है उनमें बिना हाइट वाली क्रॉप ले लेते हैं उसको एले क्रॉपिंग बोलते हैं. During the cropping phase, the trees are pruned and leaves and twists are used as mulch on the cropped area in order to reduce evaporation from the soil surface, suppression weed, and add nutrition and organic matter to the top soil. The primary purpose of alley cropping is to maintain or increase crop yield by involvement of the soil and microclimate and weed control. Farmers may also obtain tree product from the hedgerow, including fuel wood, building poles, food, medicine and fodder. इसका मेन पर्पस होता है एले क्रॉपिंग का वो क्रॉप की इंक्रीज बढ़ाना और सोइल हेल्थ सुधारना. देन पिक्चर ऑफ एले क्रॉपिंग. देन हॉर्टिकल्चर क्रॉप एंड एग्रोनॉमिक क्रॉप. लेआउट ऑफ एले क्रॉपिंग. This is very important. Layout of alley cropping जब position and spacing of hedge row and crop plants in an alley cropping system depending on plant species, climate, slope, soil condition and the space required for the movement of people. Ideally, hedge rows should be positioned in an east or west direction so that plant on both sides receive full sunlight during the day. The species used in field is usually 4 to 8 meters between rows and 25 semi to 2 meters between tree within rows. The closest species is generally used in humid area and the wider species is in subhumid or semi-arid region. Then picture is alley cropping. The characteristics of species of hedgerow intercropping. Alley cropping usually include leguminous trees. This is very important. Leguminous trees to improve soil fertility through nitrogen fixation. Hence, an ideal alley cropping trees or shrubs species should have following characteristics. It should have a spare small crown to permit sunlight penetration into the cropped area. Then hedgerow intercropping during dry season. This is picture. It should reproduce rapidly after pruning, coppicing, pollarding, or lopping. It should form a deep taproot system so that it takes moisture and nutrient from deeper layers and will not compete with agriculture crop. It should have shallow lateral roots that are easily pruned by plugging along the hedge grow. Then faster decomposition rate of leaf litter. Ideally, trees and shrubs usually for early cropping should fix nitrogen. Promoting species, some species to leguminous crop. Then advantage of early cropping. This is very important advantage. Improved crop performance due to the addition of nutrients and organic matter into the soil plant system. Reducing of the use of chemical fertilizers, improvement in the physical nature of the soil environment, reducing in soil erosion and water erosion, provision of additional products such as forage, firewood, and stocks. When a multi-purpose trees legume is used as the hedge, row and improve. Then lastly, improvement in weed control. Then multi-purpose trees and shrubs on farmland. मल्टीपर्पज मतलब जिसके बहुत सारे पर्पज हो, जैसे फॉडर, फायरवुड एंड horticulture crop. Multi-purpose trees. In this system, various multi-purpose tree species are scattered haphazardly or according to some systematic pattern on ponds, sorry, on bunds. The major component of this system are multi-purpose trees and other fruits trees and common agriculture crop. It is primary role. This system is production to various trees product and the productive function is fencing and plot demarcation. Example of multi-purpose trees employed in agroforestry are Leucaena, Leucosphaena, Acacia albida, Acacia siamaca, and some example of multi-purpose trees. Crop combination with plantation crop. This is very important. Crop combination. Perennial crop, perennial trees. Perennial trees mean बहुवर्षीय trees. And shrubs such as coffee, tea, coconut, and cocoa are combined into intercropping system in numerous ways include integrated multi-story mixture of plantation crop in alternate or other crop arrangement, shade trees or plantation crops, intercropping with agriculture crops. Then some example. Then tea is grown under shade of Helvetia chinensis. This is some example. चाय के साथ एल्बीजिया चाइनेंसिस को उगाना. Then coffee is grown under the shade of Athenia lithopersama as temporary shade. Then black pepper is grown with support of Athenia indica. Then small cardamom and large cardamom grown forest under temporary shade tree of Mesobasis emini. Then agroforestry for fuel wood production. In this system, various multipurpose fuel wood, firewood species are interplanted on or around agricultural lands. The protective role is to act the fencing, shelter belt, and boundary demarcation. Tree species commonly used as fuel wood. This is some example to fuel wood. Acacia nilotica and etc. Then multi-species trees and alec cropping. Thank you.